My room is an absolute mess, as usual. And I need to decorate for Christmas, so I'm going to let you join me in that. Clean up my room and decorate it because I'm so excited now. I've got all my Christmas decorations. Hopefully I'll have everything I need to decorate. But yeah, I am really excited, so I'm taking you along with me. It's basically just going to be a fat speed clean and time lapse, so enjoy. So these are the sheets on. They're so cute, but then the bottom is bees. I don't know where my other white sheet's gone, so it's a bit mix match. Bees for summer, gingerbread for winter and Christmas, but you know, we move, we continue. is my decorating complete. I'm obsessed. It's so cozy, it's so cute. I didn't get the right feel that I wanted. I wanted like cabin vibes, but you know what, there's not much you can really do. Okay, I like it, I think it's cute, so that's all that matters really. Have you decorated your room for Christmas this year, or have you just decorated the living room? And what's your theme? What colour? Red, silver, white, blue? I'm excited, let me know. I literally have the fake snow for tree all over me. Love that for me, but I'm gonna be finding that all around my room for ages now, I bet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!